yeah, that's just a debate. Should I get a PO box? But yeah, how much are PO boxes? You think? Yeah, yeah. Cause I like I said, I'm gonna take the channel into a new direction. A new. Hmm. Hey, what's up, guys? The shirts. Well, this is one of the samples of the shirt came in today. Look at that. Look at that. This is one of the samples of my logos. So go check my shirts out. I'll post a link down in the description below. But yeah, it turned out really cool. Pulling these tires out, man. They still got some sticky to them. Yeah. Like they are stuck together. So, got a camera system here I gotta set up. Security system. Because I'm gonna have packages coming to the house. So, I got this blink system. Got microphone. You could talk to whoever's at your door and whatnot. So, yeah, just like I said, I'm gonna get packages here. And I've had packages stolen off my steps. FedEx guys, this not knocking anybody that works at FedEx to watch my channel, but the FedEx guys here. But anyway, start this up here on the old tin can trailer here. Camera system up, right there. Getting packages here again, so might as well put that up. Shut my door here. So, off to Best Buy. Done made it here to the old Best Buy here in Hickory. Like I live, kind of sticks, kind of country. And I wonder if y'all noticed how many apartment buildings have been like just popping up everywhere. Like they kind of want to turn us into like a renter nation or something, like gosh. And housing prices are jacked. But anyway, that's top for another day. Going here to Best Buy, get me a flash drive. At the car wash here. Something I've kind of just saw or kind of understood is if you're in the South, there's a Sheetz gas station. And Sheetz at the pump plays music at the gas pump. And I'm like, it just dawned on me because I was shooting this here. They play music, I guess, so it's kind of catchy, kind of pass the time away, but also if you video, it will flag the video because the music is like copyright or copyrighted. But yeah, I was like, dang. But anyway, it'd be a perfect time to recap this video here. Let's see, prop you up here. So, some of y'all know I redone my shirts. I got new logos and whatnot come out. Check that out, link in the description below. Shout out to V Long or Pylon, little bump. Shout out to him, man. That pass was spectacular. Everybody's talking about that pass. But yeah, what's new with me? Nothing's like really new. I'm gonna start hitting some more races, more than I did before, or at least start hitting the track a little more than I did before. I got some weekends off sparingly, but yeah, I'm gonna start seeing at the track. Might be getting an A scale, might be looking at getting an e-buggy or something like that. I don't know which kind yet. I'm still watching the No Name podcast. Thinking about either Mugen or S-Works or the Miyaku. I don't know anybody running the Miyaku, but thinking about getting that one. But yeah, that's it. Thank you for following along with me for my day. Like I said, here at the car wash, I got a guy at the trailer park there that mows the grass, and he always got mowed grass on people's cars. I don't think it's quite there. But he's always got to blow the grass and have the grass blowing on people's cars. But yeah, just left Walgreens here. I thought Walgreens was 24 hours, but apparently the Walgreens up here closing. The damn farmer said he had an attitude. The man went through that many years of school, and you got probably some student loans, and you're probably not happy with your choice. I can't help it. I mean, hell, I went to community college. It's kind of random. I got my board here where I, try to plan out stuff, try to plan races. I might hit that one right there. Hobby Action J Concept Final. I might go ahead and start planning to hit that one. So, that was just a random, just about my day today, day off, just random stuff. Kind of RC related, kind of not, just, like I said, just, yeah. Just trying to get my place here safe to bring packages and stuff like that here, and make a little headquarters and whatnot. I gotta get a P.O. box. I forgot to set up a P.O. box. That's one thing I gotta do. But anyway, guys, thank you for following along. Some J Randoms. If you like the videos or anything like that, like and subscribe. Be doing me a huge favor by thumbs up in it and whatnot, and check out my merch or whatnot. And if you see me at the races, come up and say what's up. I mean, I'm just like everybody else, You usually see me laughing and cutting up, creating doubt. But yeah, thank you for tuning in, and see you soon.
On South Pole. Alright, here we go. Let's start here. Great green horn behind him. Got that minutes here. Come on, follow by Ricky, follow by Sam. Oh, there's a little bit cross up there, isn't it? And here they go. Mark Keller, confident.